I turned an unglamorous business like air filters into a $250 million annual powerhouse, all bootstrapped with zero venture capital drama. In 2012, I left a high-pay life at Goldman Sachs to save my grandfather's struggling filter factory in Alabama. It was losing money and losing hope. Most brands sold to middlemen. I asked, what if we sold direct to the end user? Middlemen took 60% of the final price. We decided to cut them out. That boring math worked. We've served over 8 million households and passed $1 billion in lifetime revenue. Not luck, just obsession. In a commodity market, price, speed, and reliability win. Those principles transfer to any must-have item you can think of. This wasn't genius. It was boring math repeated for over a decade. That's how you build an empire. For the first decade, I paid myself $50,000 annually, even as revenue crossed $70 million. Every dollar stayed in the business to buy media, inventory, and space. We used supplier float aggressively, buying on net terms and turning inventory in days. It funded our growth without taking a single dollar of VC dilution. In commodities, the product doesn't win. Logistics wins. We moved to the South for cheap real estate and reliable labor, saving millions in overhead yearly. By spreading warehouses across the country, we slashed shipping costs. While others pay $15 to ship a box, we do it for $5. That density is an unbeatable moat. Marketing is math, not art. We don't do influencer deals. We dominate high-intent keywords. Our systems convert at 15% because the math works. Filters were just the Trojan horse. Once you nail the delivery economics, you can scale to anything. Test relentlessly, scale without ego. Solo founder mode dies around $5 to $10 million. At first, I did everything. Ads, emails at 3 a.m., packing boxes. But that had to change. I hired specialists. Amazon logistics veterans, supply chain pros, and manufacturing engineers who'd scaled lines before. They removed my bottlenecks. I went from being the bottleneck to being the coach. Remember, systems beat heroics long-term. Our 2026 breakdown, $260 million in revenue. Net profit sits in the mid-teens, reinvested heavily into automation and capacity. My core principle? Stay boring longer than feels smart. Reinvest until it hurts and play the 20-year game. Compounding wins. Air filters aren't sexy, but they're recurring and essential. Your boring business likely has the same massive potential. If you're doing 1 to 20 million and want feedback on scaling, reach out. Let's build something boring and big.